Hi, Lenore here, and if you remember, the first part we ended right here with what is the sales commission? And let's do it one more time. It's total sales, 120,000, multiplied by 5%. So there we go. Total sales commission, or also known as the variable selling and administrative cost, is 6,000. So that is the answer to number 4. Number 5, what is the total variable cost? Well, if we remember, variable cost, things like direct labor and direct material, because they both change when activity level changes. And in this situation, activity level is represented by sales. Therefore, 5% of sales is also variable. So our direct labor is 15,000, which was given. Direct materials is 22,500, which we calculated. And now our variable selling and administrative is the 6,000. So if we add these three up, our total variable cost in this situation is 43,500. So that's the answer to number 5. Number 6, what is the total fixed cost? Well, this one's a little more complex, but I've listed it out for you. So if we start with our total selling and administrative, which the problem gave us, it's 18,000, and we subtract the variable, also known as sales commission in this problem, that will get us to total fixed selling and administrative. Now, the problem doesn't say it directly, but we're going to add this total fixed piece of selling and administration costs with our manufacturing overhead cost, and that will get us to total fixed. So we calculated that last problem. Now we'll add those two together, the 12,000 plus the 35,000, and that gets us to $47,000. That is the total fixed cost. That's number 6. Then we only have one more, and that's the total contribution margin. We begin with sales, and that was given 120,000. We subtract the total variable cost, which we just calculated up here, 43,500. And contribution margin is always sales less variable cost. So we will calculate that, and that comes to 76,500. So that's the end of this problem. But as I said before, you need to understand how all these definitions and this new vocabulary relate to each other in order to calculate the next step. So by doing this problem, and as I suggested earlier, taking notes, I think that will really help you with exam number 1. It's going to be multiple choice, but now you know how to calculate everything. So with that, part 2 is over. Lenore out.